Hey dudes, and welcome to CodeBoosh. This is the second in a series of videos inspired by my nephew Charlie, where we will learn to code Minecraft using the programming language Python. In this video we will learn how to get the position of your player and create blocks. So open up Python IDLE, start the server script like we did in the last video, and make sure you have Minecraft running. First we're going to look at how to get the location of the player. Create a new file in Python IDLE and type the following to import the Minecraft library and connect to the game like we did in the previous video. Save this file as blocks in the folder on your desktop where the server script is. So now let's store the position in a variable and use mc.player.getPos to get the position of your player. X and Z are the walking directions, forward and back and left and right, and Y is up and down. You can use this to teleport using setPos. So let's teleport the player 100 spaces in every direction using the following. Now let's run the program. Cool, it works. Now let's create blocks. Remove the set position line and replace it with the following. mc.setBlock and pass in x plus 1, y, z and 1. The arguments you pass into setBlock are the x, y and z coordinates and the ID of the block. Try changing the ID of the block to something else like 41 for gold and have fun. I'll put a link in the description to a list of every block type ID. Cool. So in this video you've learnt how to get and set the position of your player and to create blocks. Thanks for watching this video and I'll catch you in the next one.